Okay, for this TeachIt video, we're doing problem 17, which is just a circle with a triangle split, and then it's just asking us to find the angle and some arcs. First of all, just some information that we know. We know that this point O is the center of the circle, and it gives us angle ACB is a 90-degree angle. That would be if we turn it around this way. I did my best to make it 90. It's not perfect, but we are given that it's 90. So just go right into it. A is asking for the measure of angle ACO, so that would be this one, this part right here. So probably just the fastest way to do it would be, since we know that this is a 90-degree angle and one of the angles is already 55 degrees, you just, what right here makes it a 90-degree angle? That would be 35 degrees. That's just kind of what we know. Just something quick, because we do know that this is 90 degrees, and so if we order it being 90 degrees, then the angles need to add up, So we have that at 35 degrees. Okay. Now it's asking for arcs, so from here on out we're going to do arcs. So the first one is measure of arc AC, so that is right here. And for arcs, the really nice thing is you can just look at the corresponding angle, and then that's the arc measurement. The only problem, I guess, right now is that we don't have an angle right here. But that is easy because we have two of the angles, and we know that a triangle equals 180 degrees. So here we have 35 and 35, that's 70. 180 minus 70 is 110. Just some quick math there. Well, that was actually right. I meant to put that right there as a 110, and I put it down here, and then I crossed it out. But it's really right, because this is actually, the arc of AC is actually 110, so I'll write that down again. Okay, now the same thing, arc CB, we're just dealing with this right here. And here we have 70, which means that this arc is 70 degrees. AB, so now we're going this way, and you're like, whoa, what do I do now? Well, you can either add these two up, or you can just see that it's a straight line, so that's half the circle, since we know this is the center. So it's just 180 degrees, because it does from here to here, just forms a line, so no need to fret over that. And then angle CBA, so we're going C to B and then B to A. So like I said, we know that this is 180, and this might not be perfectly half and half, but we do know this is 180, and so that means that this must be 180. So so the B to A is going to be 180. So we do know that. And then we know CB is 70, so you just add those up and you get 250 degrees. And so that's all that this one was asking for us to do. We were able to find the angle, the missing angle, which in turn led us to find the other missing angle, which helped us do some arcs. And so we got a little bit of practice with some arcs. They're actually pretty simple, so hope you enjoyed it.